It's a day after Thanksgiving. Today's Black Friday. And as you can see, I'm in my PJs. I was actually planning into changing into something dressy, but let's be real. Let's face it, it's already 3 o'clock in the morning and I just don't have the energy to change. As simple as that, I'm sorry. So this is what I like about not showing my face, because this is fine. PJs is fine, but my stressed out face from all the cooking yesterday is not acceptable. So I know what you're here for. We have another unboxing, and as per usual, this is a long overdue unboxing. I'm gonna do 2 videos today, so let's do the first item that got to me. I think this is the first one that I got. So Chanel is having their 22C collection right now, and I don't know what the reason is, but I think it's basically the same reason as to everything that's happening right now. Like, shipments are delayed, everything's inflated. So as we all know, Chanel price increase has just happened. So with this new collection, all the classics and some of the purses have gone up. And the ones that I got right now, I don't think they did, because these are just SLG. This is a flap card holder, and as far as I know, flap card holders hasn't gone up in prices yet. But they said in the near future it will go up. So the 22C items are slowly trickling in stores right now. I have, I think, 3 more items coming in. So these are just the first 2 that came in. So let's pop the box in plastic. So just in case there's a downpour or rain, it wouldn't get wet. So, okay. So a lot of people has noticed, and I thought it was just me, but the camellia is like cardboard, made of cardboard now. Before it was sort of like a soft kind of in between paper and fiber, but now it's purely hard cardboard. So she packaged it really well. Oh, and the receipt is right here. Yeah, it hasn't gone up in price. It's still $5.50 for the flap card holder. And oh my goodness, I love, wow, look at this color. Oh my God. This is actually the light beige. Yeah, this is the 22C light beige. As you can see, it's not pure beige. It does not have a yellow undertone, but it has like a pinkish, almost fleshy salmon-like undertone. Wow, I love this beige. Look at that. I love the color. I've heard that it's a beautiful beige, but I really was not expecting it to be this pretty in person. Look at that. I don't see that pinkish color translating into this camera. Like, the camera's not picking it up, but let me try my hardest right here. On camera, it's really showing beige, but it is pinkish. Oh my goodness, this is such a pretty color. So this is the 22C light beige. And for anyone who wants the code, that's the code right there. It's AP0214. 22C AP0214. Wow, look at that beige. It's so pretty. Please excuse my nails. Didn't have time to paint them. But look at that. Whoa. It's really, really so pretty. This is one of the most beautiful beige I've seen that Chanel has come out with. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy I got this beige. That's the authenticity. I can't say that word. Authenticity card. And oh my goodness. And the caviar leather is so smooth and plush. I love this beige. And that is it right there. Wow. I was not expecting it to be this pretty. It's so pretty. I'm so sorry. I can't contain my excitement, but it's just so pretty. Okay. That's that. I think I'm just gonna do the 2 unboxing in 1 video. So this is the second item that I got from the collection, and the first one that I got was a flap card holder, which is in the light beige, and it's amazingly the most beautiful beige that Chanel has ever came out with, and I love it. So this is not a flap card holder. It's one that I haven't done an unboxing on this channel for this yet. So 2 cute ones right here. And oh, she did put in a little baggie. That's nice. I love it when they do that. So, okay. So these are 2 items. The one I have been wanting to get this, I think this is it. I'm just assuming, for a long time now, but just couldn't find something that I really like. And I think this specific one that I got right now came out before. It was released before, and it's always sold out. So when I saw that 22C came out with this one again, I grabbed it right away. So without further ado, let's get to it. So this first one, I think if I'm right, I'm really excited about this one. I don't have an item like this yet, because like I said, I've been looking for the perfect one, but just couldn't find something that I like. It has its little care, I think this is the care, yeah, cute care booklet. It's packed in this velvet like pouch or velvet pouch, and it's packed in this paper. Oh, I'm wrong. This is not it, but I still like this. This is the pair of earrings that I got from this collection. Oh, wow. I didn't think it was gonna be this big. I thought they were smaller, but they are like hoops that, well, not a complete hoop, because it has like an opening right here. So it has like the CC turn lock logo right here. It's really pretty. And it has this leather. So it looks like that. It's quite big. I thought it was smaller. I don't usually use bigger earrings, but we'll see. So this is that. I love that. It's so edgy. The leather gives it like an edgy touch to it. And as you can see, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's like the CC with a turn lock. They came out with an earring like this before, just the CC and a turn lock. So that's that. It's bigger than I expected. Supposed to be gold and black, so this is supposed to be gold, but it's really like light gold because it's almost showing out as silver. It's really, really light gold. So this is the palm of my hand. See how big it is? I thought it was smaller. I thought it was like the size of a dime, but it's not. And it retails for $5.50, which is not that bad for a bigger sized earring like this. And I like this style. It's not very common at all. So that's the earrings. Let me just put it here. And the next one, so this one is what I've been looking for a while now. And it is in the same pattern, I think. Yeah, you could say that. So I don't have this Chanel item yet in my collection. I have earrings, but this one I don't have yet. So that's a brooch. So I don't have a brooch in my collection yet. Like I told you, like I said, it's about the same. See, I'm right. Yeah, they have the same pattern. They have the same style, which I like. So I thought that this was gonna be a smaller brooch, but I feel like this is just the right size one that I'm looking for. So on my PJs, it will look like this. And I love how you can put the brooch in on your beanie, on your cap. So, and this is $500. Oh, I love this. But let me show you how big the earrings are. See? So I love this brooch because it doesn't have any crystals or stones on it. I don't like ones with crystals or stones because I heard that Chanel custom jewelries with crystals or stones, they easily fall off, and I don't want that. I don't want my crystals or stones falling off and then you have to send it for repair and it takes forever for them to get back to you. So these are the two new items that I got in this haul, this unboxing, and I love this. I'm especially excited for this one, but I'm pleasantly surprised with this one. I hope it would look good on me. So like I said, I'm not used to wearing bigger earrings, but we'll see. All right, so what do you think, guys? Do you like these? Leave a comment or any suggestions or violent reactions, although I don't like violent reactions, but whatever you want to write in the comment section below, you are free to do so. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. And I hope you like this unboxing. Until the next time, bye.